Imagine waking up in an alternate reality where the best game studios of the 8 and 16-bit era had spent those years making totally different but equally great games than the franchises you know and love. Hi fellow retro gamers, I'm Mike, and I've been a professional pixel artist for over a decade, making art and animations for franchises like Family Guy, Superman and Batman Heroes United, Mighty Switch Force, Thor God of Thunder for the DS, and many more. This is a game I'm co-creating with another professional pixel artist. It will be released for PC, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and likely Xbox. While it's being developed with modern tools for modern devices, it's designed around the graphical limitations of the original 8-bit NES. Once it's finished, we'll be looking to enhance the graphics and work with others to create a 16-bit version of the game that runs on classic Amiga computers. What are classic Amigas capable of? These are two game projects I've been working on with a friend. Programmed in Amos, a basic programming language, we've got this running smoothly on an unenhanced Amiga 500. And here's a game demo I had started a while back with Code Tapper, a fantastic programmer in the Amiga community whose assembly skills and knowledge of hardware banging techniques allowed us to get all this parallax scrolling in color running smoothly on stock OCS or ECS Amigas like the A500. I've also spent the last several months working with a great team of developers who have already created and published several classic Amiga games over the last few years. We're making very fast progress on a console-quality arcade-style game. One of these mock-ups I had made is a clue as to what kind of game it is. We're not quite ready to reveal the game to the public yet, but the rest of the team has agreed to let me show a few seconds of gameplay footage in the thank you video for anyone who becomes a patron at any tier. And finishing my own projects is not my only goal. I want to help and encourage other game developers to achieve the highest quality possible for their projects, and to eventually make the Amiga the most attractive target platform for anyone who wants to make a high-quality retro video game. My YouTube channel, BitBeamCannon, already has several previous pixel art and Amiga game development related live streams, illustration and pixel art tutorials, and more. I'll continue to have other retro game developers on as guests, where I'll provide free feedback and suggested art edits to improve the visual quality of their projects. We're also creating and releasing tools and eventually entire game engines to make creating high-quality classic Amiga games as easy and attractive as possible, both for the existing Amiga community and for the pixel artists and retro game developers I hope to attract to Amiga game development. If you like these projects and videos, and you'd like to help them get finished and released faster and at an even higher quality, then please consider becoming a Patreon backer. I'll do my best to make the entire creation process as entertaining and educational as possible during the entire development process with frequent live streams, videos, and progress updates. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, BitBeamCannon, to stay up to date on everything I'm working on and help spread the word by liking and sharing. I really appreciate your support.